Welcome to Infomrk, today's session on IEEE Digital Library. Let's get to start. The IEEE Digital Library is a comprehensive online resource provided by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, IEEE, the world's largest technical professional organization dedicated to advancing technology for the benefit of humanity. The IEEE Digital Library offers a vast collection of electronic resources, including journals, conference proceedings, technical standards, and books, covering a wide range of topics related to electrical engineering, computer science, electronics, and related fields. Some of the key electronic resources available in the IEEE Digital Library include IEEE Journals. The IEEE Digital Library offers access to over 180 journals, which include peer-reviewed articles, letters, and reviews. These journals cover topics such as computing, communications, power and energy, and more. IEEE Conference Proceedings. The IEEE Digital Library provides access to the proceedings of over 1,600 IEEE conferences, which include papers presented at these events. IEEE Standards. The IEEE Digital Library offers access to over 1,300 IEEE standards, which are technical documents that provide guidelines and specifications for the development of products and technologies. IEEE Books. The IEEE Digital Library includes over 600 books, covering a broad range of topics in engineering and technology. IEEE Explore Digital Library. The IEEE Explore Digital Library is the online gateway to all the electronic resources provided by the IEEE, including journals, conference proceedings, and standards. IEEE Spectrum Magazine. IEEE Spectrum is a monthly magazine that covers the latest news and trends in technology, engineering, and science. Access to the IEEE Digital Library is available through subscription. Students, researchers, and professionals can subscribe to the IEEE Digital Library through their academic or institutional libraries or as individual members of the IEEE. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe my YouTube channel.